bake a cake.
First, gather all the ingredients.
Step 2. Add flour.
Add milk to make it smooth. Now add some sweet sugar. Crack the eggs carefully. Mix it well. Pour the batter into the pan.
Bake the cake in the oven.
Now decorate the cake.
Yay! The cake is ready!
Yay!